Here is a wonderful question that I've brushed on before, but it's how much parent or teacher involvement is needed. I write all my curriculum for Let's Do School, including the Myths, Science, and Sacred Accounts books, to be completely accessible by the student themselves. It's written to the student. It asks them specifically about their experiences and their thoughts and their ideas. So they're able to work on this completely independently if they need to. On the creative capstone projects or the scholars corners, a lot of them include rubrics for teachers and parents to use to assess their work on those. It includes the grading rubrics with scales for different things. It also includes checklists to make sure the students have completed every part of some of the larger projects that are in here. So yes, they can work on it absolutely independently, or like I've mentioned before, you can bring it in and you can use it as a discussion book to broaden their thinking or try to align it more with your belief systems. It can be done mostly independently. It has very clear directions, even for the most complex projects. There's a whole bunch of templates for them to use so they can address every part of the larger projects that needs to be done. Parents and teachers, really your role is going to be more of a facilitator or a discussion partner instead of a lecturer. And it's very easy to adapt this for different ages, like I've mentioned, so that your involvement can be as scaled as you need to. I know a lot of you are working, or a lot of you have other students you need to pay attention to that have, varying needs. So this course is going to fit in with your needs as the adult really, really well. And it's going to fit in with their needs as the student because of its gentle take to learning.